I look stupid. Look. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Quanjenae, and today is just gonna be a quick video, hopefully. And I'm just about to try to do my eyebrows for the first time, and I have Jade here to help me. Y'all go subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'll make sure I put all her information at the end of the video and in the description box. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be trying to do my eyebrows, and I bought this dual brush, and it's a elf brush, and I bought it for like $2.99 from Target. And then I got the NYX eyebrow gel, and the color is espresso. So yeah, and the girl who does my makeup, well, yeah, she does my makeup basically, she uses this on my eyebrows. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna just get this and do my eyebrows. And Jade is here to help me, you know, try not look stupid.
I like this one like Quanjenae.
Too light?
No, it is.
Oh, okay. So how I do this?
I don't use that.
Jade,
why did you? Does Trent put it on her hand?
I think so.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, put it on your hand. I put it on something.
Okay. I'm gonna put this. Let me roll my
Don't
sleeves
put a
up.
lot at first.
I'm not. Okay, roll my sleeves up. Jade's supposed to be helping me, but she don't even know. She don't use this, so. Okay, so I'm gonna put like a little dab. That's too little.
That's fine right now.
Okay.
To start off, you might have to add more.
So then, is this
Brush them first.
Oh. Okay. Sorry, y'all, if y'all see my face is dry or something. Okay. I think, okay, this is a bad idea for me to be trying to do this in this camera for the first time. So, Lance was like, this is not an angled brush.
It really isn't.
I was bamboozled. What am I supposed to do with this?
You can make it work.
Oh, Jay, no, I cannot.
I think you could.
Okay, is this how I'm supposed to do this? Where I start?
Line it. Line the. Well, when I do mine, I line the bottom first.
Like this? I can't do this in the camera. We gonna have to adjust this. Sorry, you guys. I had to show y'all the finished product after I finish.
You can blend it. You can blend it. You can blend it.
Look at it. Okay, that's dark. Jay might have me looking so stupid.
I'm not the one doing your eyebrows.
You supposed to be helping me.
I'm talking you through it. Quanjenae. Oh, just for future reference, you can just draw a straight line.
A straight line.
Instead of like keep lifting the brush up.
Oh.
Like you outlining something.
Okay. Do the top too?
Yeah. Don't do the top so dark though. Like use a light hand. You can blend it.
My hand is heavy.
It's not steady.
It's not.
That's a pretty good outline though.
I got anxiety. I can't be. Okay, now what?
Now you can
shoot.
like fill it in since you're using like stuff like that. I'll draw hair-like strokes and then like use a spoolie to brush it out so it don't look so dark and fake.
Like this?
Yeah. Have a light hand.
I don't know how do y'all do this? This is hard.
I use pencils. Pencils are so much easier. That's what you should have got for it since you're a beginner.
Oh.
Sometimes I use pencils, sometimes I use that ABH stuff when I'm feeling bougie. Now, depending on how dark you want it, you know, you keep going. But if you're looking for something natural, then it looks pretty good. You just outline it. Everybody going to the bookstore, they got another sale.
People probably getting their books. Jay, this thing is so thick. I don't like that.
Okay. Let me see. Here's a brush.
Do this one. look stupid. Look, look how stupid I look. Here.
Like this. I look good.
Oh wait. Wait. All right, go ahead.
You did your eyebrows pretty good. Oh yeah. Okay, I can see your problem with this brush. Okay, go like this. I can't really see your eyebrows. Wait, turn this way so the camera can see you. Why are you moving your face?
I can't help it. I shake. I don't know.
You like a chipmunk.
Okay.
Quanjenae.
Alright, don't make me laugh. Alright, okay.
Focus.
A few moments later.
Ow. Yours look way better than mine.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, wait. You think
Okay.
it's gonna work?
Yes, we gonna make it work.
Okay. Cause it don't look bad.
It just dries real quick. And you're just gonna have to get cleaned up. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
This shit not coming off when I wipe it. It's not coming off. I'm trying to get it to fade. This is a waterproof one. Wait, maybe they come out with two. This waterproof.
I don't
That's why it's not. Well, I think that's why it's not moving.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it is. Maybe it does have two kinds. I be buying mascara like that. And I be like, dang, I bought the wrong one. What brush do you want to use to conceal?
It don't matter. It don't look bad. Mine's look bad, but yours don't look bad.
The fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
That just hurt. It's kind of dark though.
Yeah, because you're hella dark. I want to show y'all what this girl got. This is Caucasian. Caucasian.
I've been had that.
This is light beige.
I don't know why I bought that. I have no idea. It looked good here, but then when you... Let me see. Let me show y'all the trueness of this. Oh, wait. Dang. You can't really... It's really dark now. We'll go.
You moving again.
Sorry.
I feel like we can blend it out.
You feel like we could blend this out?
You real light.
Jade, if only I could see how light this is. It is true light, Jade. Now, I don't think...
I think we can blend it out.
Mm-mm,
You got some eyeshadow, that'll blend it out.
probably. But I just feel like it's so dark. Like, my eyebrows dark.
I'm gonna lighten it up.
Mm. I got Morphe palette.
Why you ain't tell me that?
It's in here.
Is that your towel?
Where? The,
Blue one?
Yeah.
That stuff is waterproof. I don't know how we gonna wipe that off.
So, how do you...
I usually take out waterproof stuff with coconut oil, but no. Are you done?
No.
Oh, why are you looking up?
Mm-hmm.
You got long eyelashes.
Mm-hmm. I'm not working on them.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
You got a beauty blender? Now how are we supposed to blend this out?
I don't know. You didn't say I needed all this. I thought it was 2 ingredients, the brush and I thought maybe I'll need some concealer.
Where's the
It don't look
Morphe
that
thing?
bad though, but
Where's the Morphe thing?
better.
It's still the tail. I don't see no difference.
You don't? I see a difference. Where the thing at?
I see.
So this is how. Oh, why it looks so dark? Oh, cause you got that thing. How you take it off? Okay, there you go. So this is how it came out. Now this is what I tried to do, and this is what Jay did. Only thing is though, I didn't have like the concealer to go around my eye for it to look better, but it doesn't look bad. You know, I ain't had the right products, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. Go subscribe to Jay's channel. I'm also on there too. And yeah, just a quick little fail that happened between me and Jay. But yeah, so I might get better. I'll let y'all know.
You don't hear my